so much. Oh my god, sobrang saya ko. See you guys in New York. Sa Penn Station, dito kami binaba and maglalakad na lang kami papunta ang aming hotel, which is Boca Hotel. Parang 10 minutes? 15 minutes away, right?
No, it's just 10 minutes.
10 minutes, okay. So we're gonna walk there and then go to the hotel. It's kind of cold right now. Shocking, but yeah. Over here, there are some restaurants. Then there is a bar inside. It's a bar. And also here, there is a beautiful place. Diba? Hanggang dito mambay ka pa yung wait ka sa check-in or sa check-out. Then meron din silang TV dito. Books. Orange color. It's really cool. Trash can. Not just that, they have like al fresco dining as well. Ang ganda, ang sarap tambayan, di ba? Fresco dining. Tamang tambay. Diba? Siya. Ang ganda ng tambay. Ang taas, diba? Mabilis ang ano lang, hotel room tour. So, ito yung ano namin, yung parang hallway. Maliit lang siya actually. Dito kami, 2308. Then, pag open mo, ito na yun. Bed na siya agad. And then, may charging port dito. May libreng chinelas, may ports, may cabinet. Naman ang cabinet. Okay. Mayroon ding telephone. Okay. Mayroong basurahan. Full body mirror. And then, ito yung kama niya agad. Pagpasok nyo, kama na siya agad. Oh, that's how it... And then, may TV. I think smart TV to. And social, Keurig sila. Hindi sila yung kettle. Tapos, meron ditong usable. Merong service din. Ito, meron silang ay, decaf. May decaf sila. Nice, nice. Meron silang green tea. Yan. Lamp. Yan. Then, TV. Smart TV. Sabi ko na yan. Ito yung AC nila. Tapos, meron sila ditong vault. Merong planchahan. Ayan. Si boss, oh.
Wait, do we even have towels?
So,
Bath towels?
Yep.
Okay.
So, ito na yung CR, bathroom. Maliit lang siya. Like, super liit lang. Ito yung... Yeah, may... hair dryer, thank God. May tissue. May what's this? Hand wash. And then meron ding towel. Excuse me. And then meron ding maliit lang yung bathroom niya. Yan. Ito lang siya. Tapos may mga kasama naman dito shampoo, tapos bath gel. I think conditioner din. Tapos ayan na yan. Ito siya. Yan. Ganito lang, maliit lang siya. Ayan. Actually, for its price na nasa Times Square talaga, na siya, mura na siya. And nakuha ko to ng discounted price pa kasi 915 ko lang siya nakuha, 5 days and 4 nights na. Kasi usually, yung mga nandito na hotel, umaabot na to 1,000 plus, ganon. Tapos, pa yun, Bunny? Binigyan tayo ng, $10 credit. Credit. Yan. $10 credit. Meron ding welcome drink, I guess. Complimentary siya. Na popcorn din, tsaka refreshment daily. Ayun, luckily, binigyan kami agad ng room. Kasi 4 PM pa. Pero I guess meron silang mga extra rooms. Ayun, tapos, ito yung kinuha ko kasi meron siyang view. City view. Ayan, para dito. Sa gabi, diba? Nakikita dito yung yung Bunny Empire State! Makikita din yung Empire State!
Yeah. That's a view. Is that Empire State?
Wow! Yeah! That's Empire State, isn't it?
Yeah, that is.
Yeah, that's Empire State. Ayan, oh. Malapit lang kami sa Penn Station. Ang ganda. Ang ganda ng nakuha naming lugar. Ang galing-galing ko talaga! Ang smart ko! Tell me, Bunny, who's the smartest wife ever?
You're so dumb.
Huh?
You're so dumb.
Okay, tapos binigyan na kami ng chocolate. Welcome chocolate. Ayun, magpapahinga lang kami. Tapos, pupunta na kami ng Times Square para kumain ng Jollibee. And mag-Rice New York if it's still open, you know? So, ayan, pahinga muna kami. Nakakapagod, no? First impression ko dito, may amoy talagang muntik na kumusuka. Pero, I mean, okay lang naman yun. Kasi, syempre, dito, legal naman yun. Pero, nung una ko siyang naamoy, parang, medyo naduduwal ako. Ganun. Ayun, parang siyang, matapang na damo. Ganun yung amoy niya. Sige, pahinga muna tayo. Nakakapagod eh. Walking around neighborhood. So, we are out now and we're going to eat Jollibee, which is something that I'm really, really looking forward to because I really miss Jollibee.
Oh, the other way.
My husband said it's another way. Yeah, so like what I said, 6 minutes walk. It's a good area that we got because it's just near Times Square. And we're gonna eat Jollibee because I miss it. And my cousin said that's the nearest taste of Jollibee is the one in New York. So I'm so excited. Ewan ko kung napakabatiba ng mukha ko, pero parang hindi naman. So, mag-vlog ako dito kasi magsasalita ako ng Tagalog and walang may pake kasi wala namang nakakaintindi sa akin, di ba? Right, honey? Even my husband doesn't understand what I'm saying. So, ayun. Naglalakad muna tayo dito and pupunta tayo ng Jollibee. Let's eat the Jollibee. Meron kaya dyang sisig rice? Bus. Dami scaffolding dito, no? Sa 37th Street tayo. Tatawid tayo ng street. Sabay lang tayo sa mga tao. Hirap mag-vlog kasi medyo nahihiya. Okay, tatawid na tayo. Sorry. Yeah, we found Jollibee. Jollibee! You're the Jollibee! Dito tayo sa Jollibee. So excited! Tingin tayo ng kanilang menu. Makita. Si Jollibee. Hi, Jollibee. Let's try if it's the same taste at home. Let's try this spaghetti. Good. How's the spaghetti for you? It's not too sweet. It's not too sweet. It's not. I think it's missing of ketchup. They didn't put ketchup here. The Filipino spaghetti has ketchup, but I think we have different taste buds, so they don't put ketchup here. At least they still have hot dogs. Not too sweet. I'm just so sad they don't have like chicken and rice. You know, they have like biscuit, but not really that. It's the same taste of movie. Wanna try? Same taste and gravy. You want to try the chicken? It's the same chicken.
Gravy.
Gravy?
I'm just gonna dip.
Yeah, sure. Chicken is light. It's not the same at home, but it's good. close please. We're done eating Jollibee and now we're going to the Rice New York. I'll show you guys this New York tent there. Nice. Okay, so we're gonna find the rice here. Yeah. No, dito sa New York, hindi rin nag-exist yung ganyan-ganyan. Parang Pilipinas, kumawid ka kapag walang sasakyan. Pero nakakatakot, no? Magandang sumunod na tayo sa batas. Sa batas? Wala, kung sumunod sa batas. Kaya mo na. Yan, so see like snacks. Oh, there's Target. Oh, there's 5 and below. There's IMAX. The usual New York view that we see in na napapanood natin sa mga videos, mga vlogs pala. Lakad-lakad lang tayo dito. The candy department store, Applebee's. Oh, big Target. There's a 5 and below there too, honey. Applebee's din dito. Oh, yun yung Madame Tussauds. But I don't wanna go there. Tussauds. Pwede rin dyan mag-book through Klook. Pero kasi nakapaganto na kami sa Vietnam. Oh, The Rock! That's The Rock. Nakapaganto na kami ni Mama sa Vietnam. So parang dito na rin naman need. So, oh, this is Harry Potter, the musical. This is the Harry Potter musical. Harry Potter musical based on the book, The Cursed Child, but I kind of don't like the story, so we're just gonna watch a different Broadway tomorrow. So, ayun guys, mabilis na lang itong maglakad. Kaya dapat hindi ka mag-i-stop. I think it's a Broadway place na kasi puro Broadway na yung nakikita ko dito. Ayun, Harry Potter. Hindi ko lang maano. Ayan, Aladdin. I've watched Aladdin already in the Broadway way back when I was elementary. So, I don't have to watch that. Ayun. So, ayan mga malalaking buildings. Oh, malaking H&M, oh. Malaking H&M. Big H&M. There's a big H&M. Pandora. So, hindi ka talaga ay, Miniso. Miniso. Nagulat ako. Nagulat ako kay ate. Biglang sumigaw. May Comedy Comedy Central. Oh, Comedy Central ba rin? Nag-Camp-Hill. Pero, ayun, tatawid tayo ulit. Kasi naghahanap tayo ng
comedy show, guys. Comedy show. What a show. What a crowd.
Is this the same place? Oh, there's Subway. This is the place to rise? Parang nasa Times Square na tayo. Hindi ko malapit na tayo sa Times Square. Bunny, are we near Times Square? Yeah, I think this is not the Broadway area. Dito kami manonood tomorrow ng show. Ay, ang ganda. Parang siya shiminding sa akin ng konti, pero mas open yung place, I guess. 14th sabay-sabay lang tayo. O, yun yung hop on, hop off bus. Pero sabi na hindi daw worth it, kaya di na lang kami na. Pero, kung gusto nyo, why not? Pero mas $100 plus ata yan. Uy, honey. Where's the rice? Big Verizon store. I missed it. Where? We need to go back? Ay, we missed the turn. I guess we're gonna right? We're gonna right? We're gonna left? So, kaya mo na. Kasi ang likot ko mag-vlog, sorry. Simple lakad talaga dito. Pagoda talaga ako pag-uwi. Puro mga shops. Kung mahilig kayo mag-shopping, go na go. Sa go? 5 minutes na to. Wow, Rosetta Italian Bakery. Wanna try that one of these days. Street performance. May mga nagpo-perform din. Ganyan parang basking. Ganon. Basking ba tawag yun? Basta ayun. So ayun, hanapin muna namin yung Rice New York para doon na kami.